Okay, y'all, so I'm going to try doing vlogging again for trips. We're gonna see how it goes. So right now I am in the airport. I am about to go to New York, and then from New York we are going to Tulum. I'm super excited. This is for my best friend's birthday. So we went to Cancun like 2 years ago. So I'm excited to go to Tulum because I've never been before. It's been like super lit and like, yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna see how it goes. I'm super tired. I finally linked up with my best friend.
It's the energy for me.
Like, it's been a whole year. Like, a whole year.
Oh my god.
This how it be when I had to record by myself and all these people be looking at me. The lady the other day is taking the pictures.
But you know the face, you know the name, like
Her. We here for Big Mandy birthday.
Our flight is at 3:10, so right now it's 2:23.
We're waiting to board. I'm pressed because I'm tired, as you can see in my eyes.
We were drinking a little bit earlier, so she's a little.
Yeah, we off the tequila early because you already know in Mexico they love tequila. That's where Patron comes from. Patron comes from Mexico.
Oh, I'm dead. I didn't know that.
Yes. But yeah, so this is the update. Next time y'all see us, we're gonna be in Mexico.
Period.
Hopefully I don't die on this flight.
She won't, in Jesus' name. God forbid.
Peace. Y'all, why they gotta sit on a plane?
Not loud.
They gotta sit on a plane, talk about they turned off.
The motors.
They done turned off the motors. I'm upset.
Please. It's the scene for me.
Captain.
Hello again.
See?
Captain, ATC Air Traffic Control has just called us and said they can anticipate being off the ground at 25 after the hour. So
25.
it's only about 15 minutes from now.
Okay.
If anything
I can't
changes
wait
from
that
there, I'll
long.
let you know.
We were supposed to leave at 3 o'clock. It's now 4:10. Now he's telling us 15 minutes. I don't like that. Next time I call him, he better tell us we going up.
The thing is, he really said that. He just started talking.
Because he know my body.
I'm dead.
He know my body.
Hopefully, when we talk to you again, we're actually in, what is it, Tulum or Tulum?
Yeah. I'm dead. My mom be saying the same thing. It's Tulum.
Tulum. Please, I'm a crafty, I'm a villager. Tulum. Well, we're going to get dressed to go somewhere.
We are. It's by force. We're on the countdown. You guys, it's literally less than 24 hours until Amanda's birthday.
Oh my God. I know. This is
Stress.
It's the evil world we live in.
Because
I'm
then
just
we
trying
got-
to be in the clubs.
Then we gotta deal with TSA.
Oh my God.
And okay, I told y'all, we arriving in Cancun. We are 2 hours away.
Girl, it's giving the hotel.
Let's give we going out in Cancun night 1.
Oh my God.
Cancun was lit though.
I hate it for us.
That's alright. God gonna make this a speedy little trip. I'm gonna wake up. He's gonna be like arriving in Cancun, Mexico.
By force, literally.
And they better serve us drinks. And I better get them cookies too.
What cookies you talking about?
It's eating in the car, them little biscuit cookies.
Oh, okay.
They good. I like them.
Makes sense.
Alright, y'all. We gonna see what Captain's talking about. I might have to go up front and holler at him again.
I'm dead.
Alright, you guys. So we made it. Yes. So we are in Cancun. Cancun and Tulum are 2 hours away. So we waiting for our driver to come get us. And then we're about to be lit in the city tonight.
Yeah, literally. I could barely hear what she said, but whatever she said is correct.
We're going up. It's less than 24 hours until Amanda's fucking birthday.
Oh my God.
It's serious. Y'all know the vibes. Yes. Alrighty, you guys. So this is the room, and when I say it is giving, like, look at the shower. It is definitely giving. This is the bathroom. And look at this tub. It's so nice. And then a little TV. And then we got this little living room area over here. And then what's really giving is, y'all, the view. Like, we have a whole balcony. Is it on? Okay. Like, do y'all see? It's everything. Like, the room is everything.
Happy birthday to my best friend. We're in Tulum with the vibes, period.
All the way in the back. It was so big, bro. It was so light.
No, I'm not doing that, Ma. I'm not doing that.
Girl, when they was dropping us back, when Mr. Jimmy was dropping us off, you see how dark that shit was?
No, it was pitch black. No, the driver, Ma, when he's driving us, it was pitch black, and then he did a U-turn. I don't know what happened to her phone.
She hung up.
I don't know, I guess it disconnected. I lost services in. It's giving very much ghetto. Amanda!
Yeah.
Let me zoom in.
I'm dead.
It's your birthday!
Big 2-5, you get me. Yazemi.
How are you feeling right now?
Regular. I didn't cry though, so I'm actually very proud of myself.
She's growing up, you guys.
I'm grown up. Not every day cry, you get me. Like, you know, sometimes you even just look straight. Not every day cry. But it was cute, you know. At first, you know, me and my negative Nancy self, I was about to sit in the crib. But Jody, she was like, oh, come on, let's go. We got 10 more minutes.
We gotta be mixy. We gotta make. Listen, hold on. I gotta zoom out now because I gotta flip the camera on my face. We have to make every minute count. Club, no sleep, no sleep. Brunch, no sleep. Brunch, no sleep. Resort, no sleep. Hookah, no sleep. Okay, every minute we have to make it count. It's Amanda's birthday. We made friends out there. Y'all gonna see our friends.
Go ahead, sing.
Are you ready?
Yes.
We're ready.
Baby, turn them lights down
Period.
and close the door. Ain't nothing but the marble floor.
Nah, our friend's geek.
What's their names?
Kissed my shoulder like 3 times. It was a Tom Ford Metalik. Okay, baby. He was smelling me. He was like, oh my god.
She said it was the Tom Ford, bro. The Tom Ford is what he was smelling. It was giving rich bitch energy. I'm dead.
So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of the view and let you see what our resort looks like in Tulum. It's so beautiful. Now we have the eating area, and this morning we went and had breakfast, and you can see all the fresh juices there. Okay, you guys, so we are up. What time is it?
11:20.
It is 11:20. We've been up since 9 o'clock. No, like 8 o'clock.
And this morning, it was real ghetto.
Very ghetto.
Extremely, like,
It got real
ghetto. There was cussing the people out front, but today we're gonna go swimming with the dolphins. We already had breakfast, so we're chilling at the pool right now. And hopefully we get to go out tonight. Like, we're gonna go out tonight, because, you know, we gotta be outside. Period. Right now we're giving you very much fresh face and lashes. The drink is hitting.
Cheers. Clink, 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 clink.
Yep, so we'll catch you guys soon with the dolphins.
So swimming with the dolphins had to be the best part of the trip. I've always wanted to go swimming with the dolphins, so I was super excited. We did this with other people as well, as you can see in the water. The water was so cold, you guys, but the dolphins, they're so sweet, they're so playful, and they're so much fun. Like, I really enjoyed myself, and I'm glad that I got to experience this with my best friend. Probably the highlight of the trip, to be honest, for me, because I always wanted to do this. So it's definitely one for the books. I'm glad I got to experience this. The grand finale. Now you guys are going to watch me actually swim with the dolphin. So yeah, I look fucking crazy, but it was about the experience. Life is about the experience. And your girl, she did it. I did that. I told you guys they like to play. As we move our hands back and forth, you'll see them splashing their little fins in the water. So cute. I love them so much. It was only right that I surprised my best friend for her birthday, and as you can tell by her face, she was so excited. She loved it. This was super cute.
Alright, so we are here at Casa Malca. It's super, super cute, you guys. As you can see, it's like an outside beach house restaurant. So in Casa Malca, they have 3 different restaurants, and you're able to order. They do like a day pass, so you can get the day pass and go to all the different restaurants and still be on the beach. And it's super, super cute. Like, look at the view. I like it.
When we decided to visit Mexico, it was during COVID. So as you can see here in this clip, Our server is giving us a nice hot towel to go ahead and clean our hands. I love how clean everything was during this time, and the customer service was just amazing. The food at Casa Malca was so good. You're gonna see the amazing food that we had. It's funny though, every time I go to Mexico, I don't eat Mexican food. It's not that I don't like it, I just never order it, but I was still pleased with the food overall. The food was amazing. I wanted to show you guys the view at Casa Malca. So here's the lovely beach, and then they also had nice art statues around the beach. It was so cute. I'm really into art, so overall I just enjoyed my experience at Casa Malca. 10 out of 10 recommend. So, of course, we had to go out for our last night in Tulum. So, we went to this amazing restaurant, and the food was super good. And, of course, they had hookah. So, that was a plus. Overall, this trip was amazing, and I enjoyed myself a lot. And, of course, we had to end it with shots. A little tequila to make the night great.
So I am back. Well, no, I'm not really back. I'm on the airplane. But we are going back to the United States. Back to the ghetto. Unfortunately. Overall, the trip was fun. Like, I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was really cute. Tuba will see me again.
She wants to be in the video.
They'll see us soon. They'll say part 2. What was your favorite part of the trip, Joe?
Honestly, my favorite part of the trip would have to be swimming with the dolphins.
Oh, yeah.
Like, if you ain't swim with the dolphins, what are you doing for life?
Literally. Yeah.
Period.
I think my favorite was our driver.
Bro, Amanda, if she could have taken Javi home with her to the United States, she would have taken him home with her.
I would. I'm going to see him when he go to Cali.
Now that works, because that's where I'm going to live at.
Exactly.
That
We'll
works.
see him. We'll be like, hey, we need rides. I don't really need a ride, but I just want one.
I don't think I'm going to drive out there, so I'll need a ride.
Really? Why?
My driving sucks. That's too much stress. Too much stress. But yeah, if you guys like this video and you want me to do more travel vlogs, I emphasize on the travel vlogs. Make sure you thumbs it up. Leave me comments below. And you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel, because if you don't subscribe to my channel, how the fuck are you gonna know what's going on? Like, how are you gonna know?
No, honestly. Like, the math has to math.
Like, how are you gonna know?
How would you know?
Like, how would you know?
They're gonna know.
Like, come on now. Rubbish. No. I wish I could put this clip in the video. It has nothing to do with the video.
You could probably do it.
Honestly, I'm just gonna add
Females
it.
be like nails by, lashes by. Who your baby by? Who your baby by? Joshua, Jan, Ezekiel, rubbish.
I have to be yummy.
No, they can't. Who your baby by?